UCL.
UCL quarters. UCL quarters again. We're at this stage, and like we have pretty interesting games like this time around. It's not like one sided. Apart from one game, I think the other three games are like finally balanced. It could go to
Yeah.
like either team. So let's go through them like one by one. First, I think we start with the high stakes clash. PSG Bayern.
What
What are your
is that
thoughts?
high stakes? What? How is that
Hey, that's not high stakes. I
high
don't know if it's high stakes, dude.
PSG Bayern
I don't
definitely is.
know.
I think in
stakes?
terms of
Fuck.
all the four games,
You look at
this
But
definitely
again,
is.
I'm
let's
sorry to bring United, but after United, the way United played PSG, dude, Bayern can forget one leg only Bayern needs. Forget the second leg. PSG will not want to play
no,
the
but
second leg.
I mean honestly,
No
Bayern
offense
doesn't
to.
have
Uh,
Lewandowski though. To be fair, they don't have Lewandowski.
and PSG have Neymar back. I don't think it makes much of a difference, but it does make some difference somewhere.
Hey, please. You're saying it like Neymar just started playing in his prime that time in Barcelona. No. PSG is a different era for him, dude. He just
Like he's been good. I
no
don't
no
think you
no.
can doubt that.
I
He's not been as good as he was. He's been good though.
PSG Bayern is nice, but I still feel
I think
like as much as I don't want
Neymar.
to do this, Real Madrid and Liverpool will be for, and I as much as Arhan wants to say it, I'll say it on his behalf. Liverpool and Real Madrid is one of the anticipated. Even City and BBB, dude, that'll be interesting.
Yeah, quite.
But
I am actually more intrigued. If there's any other match, I'm more intrigued to watch apart from Madrid Liverpool is Dortmund City because I want to see Pep fuck up again. Like
I mean, Pep overthinking is going to come now. He can't sleep at
oh
night. He's going to
shit.
overthink the fuck out of this.
yeah.
Guys,
I love that.
maybe he is overthinking at this very moment. We'll go actually let's go one by one, dude. We jumped
Yeah.
off too quickly. Let's go one by one.
Yeah, Liverpool.
So we're doing teams, predictions, players to look out for.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Okay.
First
So
match.
Bayern and PSG.
Yes.
First match isn't first match Liverpool and
No, no. First
Madrid?
match as in our first match for us to discuss.
So,
Since
Oh, acha.
since
Oh,
Rishabh thinks that
acha, acha.
since
Laka.
since Rishabh thinks that is a high stakes match, so that is a high
Listen,
stakes match.
100.
I will
listen.
concede that Liverpool
Listen,
Madrid.
this happens. This happens. Say, Barcelona is not there, so you had to choose a second team. Okay. Now he looked everywhere. He's just like,
No,
dude,
if you think
the
about it,
closest
think
to like,
about it.
the
This
closest
is
to feeling PTSD, the closest to feeling PTSD, you were like, I'll go to Bayern.
this is the worst
Bayern
season
is
for
PSG.
I think
PSG
Liverpool
because
and Madrid.
Yeah, Liverpool
If you
versus
think
City.
about it, like both of them are playing bad. I don't think we can count that. City ka you can.
No.
Maybe it's
City
one
you
of
can't.
these. City is winning.
City has
dude.
been very up and down, dude. City came from the back. Yeah, City came from
Yeah.
the back and they were like, we'll
And
do
like
something.
Chelsea Porto
Liverpool
is
just
inconsequential at this point.
Chelsea Porto
No one
is
gives a
just.
fuck.
I think it's a Europa League match, which has been shifted.
yeah, I think they
Champions League.
गलती से they were like ground नहीं है काफी यूरोपा के लिए तो हम चैंपियन लीग का मैच इधर इनको थोड़ा पुश कर देते दो लोग को और पुश कर देते just because if you see the other three you're like wow dude these are big teams playing suddenly you're like Chelsea Porto ठीक है
Yeah.
this is this one of the legs is this like best like 16th of no but it's fine dude Chelsea made it guys we shouldn't
Yeah. Porto is going to make it. Like
It should-
Chelsea made it is like huge.
Oh shit! Chelsea is the underdog today, dude. Can we believe it? Chelsea is the underdog. Dude, मैं किसी Chelsea fan से मिला मैं पहला चीज I was like, dude, I'm really sorry for Frank, dude. I'm really sorry. Like I understand you felt so much about it, but I'm really sorry. Like your team and all is fine. Your transfers didn't work. Nothing is happening, but Frank Lampard leaving is the most painful thing. No, sorry, not leaving. Getting fired was the most painful thing. Getting told to leave. Imagine, dude. I still can't. Your club tells you've given your life to the club, and they're like, sir, आपसे नहीं होगा.
Yeah,
No,
out.
just worse than that. उसका जो स्वाइप की रहता है ना की कार्ड उसका वो भी
हाँ.
बंद कर दिया था. You couldn't enter the facilities.
Dude, this is like some hostel, the boys' hostel level shit going on, dude. Like he's trying to sneak into girls' hostel, and they're like, no, you can't. You're too bad.
ये खुद के घर
Wow.
में नहीं घुस पा रहा है ऐसी सिचुएशन हो गया था उसके साथ. He's like fuck.
Imagine Frank Lampard playing FIFA 21. They're like, of course you'll choose Chelsea. He's like, fuck them, and he just choose like some other team, and he's like, I don't want to play with them.
Tottenham.
He's like, well, how do you choose your team on FIFA? He's like, depends on who I'm going to manage next. And they're like, Frank, they don't need you. And he's like, oh shit. Anyway, sorry. So Porto Chelsea, ठीक है, that is तो okay, fine. Okay, Bayern PSG, coming back to Bayern PSG. Rishabh thinks, if he thinks it's okay, dude, we can't say no.
We can't say no. Yeah.
He knows, he feels emotions.
See, at this point, as a
Okay,
Barcelona fan, I only feel if PSG wins, then he can say we lost to the eventual champions. तो ऐसे इज्जत maintain हो जाती है उसकी. So that's why he must be like rooting for PSG, right? Because that's what I did for the last 2 seasons. I wanted Liverpool. I wanted
See,
City.
this is why you know it.
Yeah, I know this. This is mutual feeling. So let's start with Bayern Liverpool. Bayern PSG.
Huh.
So
Bayern
last year's
Liverpool.
finalist. Sorry. Last year's finalist. Last year's
Bayern.
finalist.
Bayern Liverpool. Bayern Liverpool. Last 2 years. Okay, Bayern PSG. Okay, Bayern PSG. What do you guys think
question.
is going to happen?
Lewandowski नहीं है.
Yeah.
Who do you think is going to step up for Bayern? कौन है वो?
In scoring department, I'm not too sure who. Like, he's been doing the bulk of scoring, but I believe Leroy Sané and Serge
Gnabry.
Gnabry.
Yeah,
Weekend.
these guys could step
It's like their wingers are strikers also.
Yes.
Just additional options.
Joshua Kimmich.
And I think
Thomas Müller.
entertainment wise, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Entertainment wise, we have Muller, so not bad for a starting lineup.
Otherwise, they have
what about PSG?
Choupo-Moting. I mean,
Choupo-
Choupo-Moting, legend.
Yeah, only plays for Champions League winning clubs.
Yeah, elite clubs.
Yeah.
And Stoke City.
Yeah.
This is just yeah.
There's a weird resume.
Yeah.
Three.
Thing. PSG Bayern was the first match we ever discussed on our podcast. Like, our podcast wasn't even like.
No, not bad. Call back.
Call back.
That's how I started. With Bayern PSG. Good one, Rishabh.
Good one, Rishabh.
I don't think we
Guys,
saw.
yeah, man. Like, look deep inside. Y'all didn't find it only.
Listen, I know if you look deep, Rishabh, you'll see scars, but it's okay.
It's okay. That's a given. Not any day.
You know what? We played safe. We are like, हम जल्दी निकल जाते हैं ताकि scars इतना deepen ना हो. We don't want to go so far and then get defeated so bad. We'll be like Premier League में we'll get defeated by Tottenham and all. We don't want to go all the way there and do the obvious, getting defeated by Bayern for United and all. But yeah, that's a good one, dude. We discussed Bayern PSG. There's a yeah. So from that PSG team,
table seem to have turned now.
Yeah.
But PSG hasn't been performing either. You look at the record in League One, they're third. They're already playing in a cheap-ass league, but look at them where they are right now, third, and they're going to play Bayern next. So, do you still think that Bayern has it, or like PSG?
I don't see PSG making a big
Same.
of a dent. I think they'll have some impact. It's not like they play that horribly that they're going to get battered, but I don't think they have it. Most teams don't have it in them to face this Bayern side. So I don't think even PSG with Mbappe, with Neymar have any sort of chance. Bayern, easy.
So Bayern, it's like a weekend game against any other German team where they're like, we'll come, we'll do our thing, we'll go, we'll drink beer. End of story.
But
We don't want any. I don't know, dude. I'm little biased towards Bayern, but that's also because they're so good. So I'm like, yeah, they're just, and it's not about just this. I feel like compared to Bayern and PSG, Bayern is in a better form right now. Currently also, and they have been. So I feel like that always gives an upper hand, because if you're constantly not doing well, then that definitely impacts, dude, each and every player. It could be Neymar, it could be Mbappe. It doesn't really matter. It's like Argentina and Messi, dude. It's like one person can't take the team. 2 players, 3 players can't take the team. 11 players have to come together, or at least majority of the players have to come together for them to play. In PSG, I feel like even in the final that we discussed, I felt like they're very scattered, dude. That's one of the biggest reasons why they were not able to play together, because they were so scattered. They were like, "Tu akela apna game khel. which
it
doesn't
feels
work, I
like
think.
11 individuals are just playing
Yeah.
one shirt more than like a
Yeah.
team.
They're like, चल तू पास में तेरे को ball दूंगा, but that guy is like, I won't empathize enough to give the ball back because I'm a solo player. I'm just gonna do this. Remember when we were young, we had this whole concept of solo players. When Ronaldo was emerging, everyone's like, what is a solo player? Why does he play on his own? You know, shit like that. I feel like PSG is right now like a late version of that, where they're not able to like get themselves back, and I feel like they need improvement, dude. और अभी उनका coach भी change हुआ है. I mean, manager भी change हुआ है, and whatever. So now it's going to take time. It's going to take at least this season to come. Makes sense for why they are where they are. But no, dude, I feel like I'm not being too harsh, but Champions League dream. I think they should just like they could play a good game. But
is this the takeaway from this video?
Yeah, I'm just saying, like maybe they should at this point.
Halt. Yeah.
Like this is so. What I'm going to say next is even more sadder because at this point I feel like Porto can make it, but like I still feel like PSG just
Porto is the
just
only
not in my
team
list.
whose name starts with P who can win the Champions League this season.
No, win.
Or
पता नहीं. I'm
do
saying
better.
maybe next round. But like yeah. PSG I feel like नहीं dude. तुम्हारा दोनों round. No dude.
छोड़ दो.
Like how Pep overthinks and like does stay-ups, I feel like whole PSG team is just panicking in their ground.
Whole
The match is
PSG
like,
team is
guys, calm down. He's Pep. They're not peppy, they're just Pep.
Yeah. But
yeah, dude, that's
I
yeah.
feel
So I think that way.
I feel PSG will win because
Whoa.
this no there's a thought process behind this. This is not just like
No. I'm sure there is. But like the way you said, I was like, oh, okay.
the thing
right,
is,
dude.
like you said, the new manager Pochettino has a great impact and he has a great team now. So the fact that Neymar is also back, I think he can actually handle the way the players he wants to handle them. Plus, on the other hand, they now have one more match to get back at Bayern Munich. So finals के time पे obviously it's one match, you can't do that. So second leg कहाँ पे तुम्हारे पास to make a good comeback? And if you remember, they did create a few chances, but it was if not for Manuel Neuer, I don't think they would have been able to. मतलब वो जीत भी जाते थे. You never know. अभी देख रहे हो, so you have two matches to get back at them. You know, you can't do it in first match, you can do it in second match. So I feel they have a great chance right now. Plus, they can learn from their mistakes if they are able to from the last season. If they are not pepped up enough,
See, if
so they can.
PSG would have learned from their, I mean, lessons, तो मतलब 6 साल में जीत जाते ना कुछ तो.
नहीं,
That's the whole
but at
thing.
least reach finals.
Not
If you consider
able-
that, if you consider the reach finals, that
I
will.
don't know, dude. Last year, I mean, ठीक है UCL था, agreed, but I feel like the way they reached there, it
How?
wasn't the
That
whole
is-
process of.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
the only
I
thing.
mean, yeah.
Yeah, बस
It
वही
could
है.
be said that okay, pandemic helped them. They were one of the teams
In a
that
way it
benefited
did,
from
yeah.
it. But I mean, I still feel PSG has a great chance. They do. I think
Yeah,
Lewandowski.
the two legs.
The amount
Agreed.
of goals
The
he
two
scored, Lewandowski for Bayern, I don't know what the team would look like without him. And Bayern
Yeah.
has also struggled in this season, for all their prowess and all their fear that Bayern Munich used to carry. For them to lose matches 4 goals against a team like Schalke and everything, it's just not very. I don't think it's very understandable at this point as to how they can lose. क्योंकि तुम जर्मनी में तो जीतो कम से कम. ठीक है,
Yeah.
बाहर तो हो सकता है कुछ भी. Germany is a place where they might screw up. Plus I feel लिवरपूल एटलेटिको जैसे लास्ट सीजन हुआ था.
But Bayern को वो ये लगता है, हाँ.
So the way Liverpool Atletico went down, this could happen with Bayern this season with PSG.
Yeah. What is the second most anticipated match?
Should we get Chelsea?
I can already say I knew.
You wanna like just take 2 minutes and finish it right now?
Yeah, let's do that.
Chelsea photo, guys. Yeah,
This is
कुछ है?
suspense,
Is
what
there
happened?
anything you have to talk about?
Yeah,
I
the only
think
thing
in
I have to
Chelsea
talk
Porto-
about is Porto will win. Like take this in writing, Porto will win. Porto is Ajax from
Sorry, I'm gonna-
2018, 2019. You mark my words.
They were looked up to.
Yeah.
Marked. I was going to do a very bad joke. I was going to say Porto Chelsea में Arsenal जीतने वाला है. So moving on. That's about it. That's about it.
Chelsea
yeah,
loses,
I
Arsenal
think-
celebrates. I guess who else will celebrate with Arsenal? Our dear Frank. We didn't get a
Frank?
chance. Yeah.
But Porto Chelsea, what do you guys think? Just generally, just not biased. Just
Not biased also, I feel, dude, I mean, they beat a team like Juventus who's solid at defense. So if you're getting them, then I think Chelsea conceded 5 today. I think their downfall has started. Their हो गया भाई. Thomas Tuchel, that whole era is over.
One more month.
Yeah, one
Ah.
more month and then finish. That's it. So
oh shit, dude. Chelsea should not have a united crisis of managers, dude. ऐसा दो रहे छह मैच छुट्टी मार के जा रहे लोग. That will be really sad. But Porto,
realistically,
unanimously, do we agree, Porto?
नहीं realistically ऐसे चेल्सी का चांस ज्यादा है, but Porto will put up a good fight. Let's be honest. Let's not be just
Yeah.
assholes. To
No,
Chelsea.
again, it's the same story of the underdogs thing where but that's the thing, dude. For Chelsea, it's a normal day to be at a Champions League. Like normal day as in club history. But I feel like for Porto, it could have been, but Porto will still like the fighting power. I feel like Porto will have more in terms of wanting this way
They'll
more
be
than
more
Chelsea.
inspired. Yeah.
Because generally, also, if you've seen, but generally, also, you've seen, I feel like the fight in Chelsea is kind of like dying, dude. Like they never come back in games. They start losing, they're like gone. They're like, do goal mara, like fucking cannot come back. And that I feel like that attitude will not take them anywhere, dude. Not take them anywhere in life. It's just
It's a very
like,
hit and miss.
it's just-
I mean, with Chelsea, you just don't know, dude. अगर मारा
is
तो
a-
छह
Yeah.
सात goal मार देंगे.
This is
If
a
not,
very
then they just get.
this is a very dad-like analysis of Chelsea. You know,
Yeah.
this attitude is not going to take you anywhere, son.
yeah, that's what I was thinking of. You need to be more serious with your game. You cannot just take this lightly. You
So
cannot
what are you doing with your
just
career?
go and
What are you doing with the career? You know, I know it's
Just buy
pandemic.
people.
You can't just like back off.
buying fancy people. Dude, but I feel really bad. Like it's such a big deal for their transfers to come in, and it really flopped, dude. It really flopped. Like it didn't take off. It's like
I
the
think
flight
at
took off,
this
and it's
point-
like bye, khatam. Like it
There
was
is like
just-
a curse of the number 9 because it's been going on for too long. I can't help but feel like
Dude, I
Pep-
feel like Giroud really
It is.
stepped up. Giroud is their answer to their
Yeah.
number 9 woes. He's really done well. Just because he's 34 and old and shit, you can't just nullify कि हाँ नहीं तू नहीं है अभी. He's there. Use him. You know, why do you have to rely on Werner so much? You know, give Werner like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Let him get that form back. You can't give him a whole match to prove himself. That's too much.
Oh, so we think Chelsea.
So whatever unanimously
Realistically-
agree.
Realistically,
Put-
Chelsea,
and
unrealistic.
hard
No,
to-
passionately Porto.
Porto. Yes. But if Porto does, it won't be a surprise. It won't be a surprise, honestly. Like if Porto does win.
Are you saying that because they're passionate enough, or are you saying that because Chelsea's
No,
not
no.
going to play well?
Because
are you
Porto-
trying?
Both. I think it's a
Porto
good
is playing
combination of both.
well.
Center point.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
just a good.
You just met it right there.
See, Porto, they have Pepe, dude. Matlab, they have a matured Pepe. He's not one of those Pepes anymore from Real Madrid who just ram into players.
God.
Trash fucking pieces.
Yeah.
Dude, he
Oh,
was one
fuck,
of the worst
dude.
defenders.
He had some anger issues, dude. He had some real anger
God.
issues.
The way
When he went to Porto, went
The
to
way-
therapy, addressed his
Yeah.
issues, come out a better man.
he's actually like really changed his career around. So I feel
But
that
I feel like if Chelsea keep fucking up, then he'll get back.
Animal. The
Ah.
animal
Old days.
old days.
Old days will come back. Full mix of violence and street art will come back. Cool.
Oh,
So
cool.
passionately and
Done.
realistically.
Yeah.
Cool. Third. Let's move to. Let's talk
Are we
about
doing
Madrid and
City
Liverpool.
PVB? Oh,
Let's
acha,
talk
you want to
about-
do that. Okay. Last
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Right. Let's talk about this.
Madrid
Final.
and Liverpool.
Madrid, Liverpool, two teams not in the best of forms. Too many injuries.
क्या
going
बात
around
कर रहा है
for
भाई?
Both of them.
बेस्ट ऑफ फॉर्म अभी 2 मैच जीते हम लोग. तो
Hey,
खत्म तो करने दे.
hey, दो
It's
मैच
triggered.
ठीक है.
दो मैच जीता तो
दो मैच में पकड़ लिया तो फिर कैसे हो गया यार?
see
देख रहे
there's
हैं,
no-
यार ऐसे मत कर यार.
See,
यूनाइटेड
Zidane-
ये क्या दो मैच?
यूनाइटेड का विन रेट 2 मैच है. Every 8 games we won 2 games.
See, Zidane has told us
So
that
like,
every game is a final from here on.
sir,
Yeah.
personal email.
Personally,
अरे वाह
I love
भाई,
this. I love this.
15 फाइनल है ना.
15
He said,
final.
can I do a callback again? Did he send you a mail at arhanrajework@gmail.com?
Yeah. He sent me a
Okay, anyway, so
yeah. And he
send you
posted
a
a
mail.
selfie also today. So I'm really hopeful. He never does that.
अच्छा.
That the oh, acha वैसे. So you're saying he's confident. That's why he posted a selfie. Okay.
Confident, and
अच्छा.
he's
Speaks
told
about
us
his character.
every time he says that we have, whatever number of finals to play. We play it like a final. It's just Madrid just becomes Madrid. There's no in between.
But on the other side, you have Jorgen, dude. Jorgen is a full brand man. If you've seen him from top to bottom, he's very serious about his football and his brand. So he is not going to let go
feel
easily,
like-
dude. Because I also feel like at least for Klopp, okay, उसका downfall काफी सही चल रहा है, ठीक है, काफी मस्त. Because it was so much of like, I think of Liverpool, and Liverpool fans were so hyped because they're like, bro, now every next 30 years we're going to win, okay? And now, like, I feel like at least Premier League they're going down. This is his one chance to be like, dude, I still want to be in the big leagues. I still want to be like, because you know how easy football, you know how easy like critiques are. तो ये भी हार गया, वो भी हार गया, खत्म. It feels like they'll be like Liverpool not going to win for the next 30 years. Shit like that will start coming out. Plus UK journalists are very like fucked. So at least I feel like Klopp is really going to take this, especially since it's Real Madrid. Since it's like,
But
Come out with
Zidane, tu aa samne.
talking about
Wow.
that, talking about the same thing about how the press might get to them. I mean, they still lost 6 straight games at home to start 2021 with, or whatever number of games. I'm not too sure if it was 6 only, but they lost a lot of games. And every time I saw a headline which said that Liverpool loses, these many number of games, Liverpool haven't been able to win even a single game at home. I've been surprised. I was like, यार ये कैसे हो गया? I mean, this team, they could at least win at home, and it's very difficult to see them to lose at home out of all places. Away record उनका बहुत घटिया है. I'm not even denying that. But at home, ठीक है, you feel कि नहीं, Klopp, he will do something. He will pump up his players, and I like Klopp. It's not that I don't like Liverpool or don't like Klopp. But if you look at it, they're in the same boat as us. In fact, they have better players.
Statistically.
They have better players. They have like younger players, Salah, Mane, who are in better form. Like it's not better form, but fitness-wise, they have been much better. Look at us. Who do we have? We don't have Hazard. We don't have Ramos. We don't have Carvajal. We don't have so many other players. Still, Madrid is still afloat. They are still there. They're still being alive. People are still talking about how Madrid could be a favorite to win a Champions League. So I think it's just I'm going to be a little bit cocky over here, but हमारा class अलग है. हमारा to stay at that level for 3 years.
Arhan, your time is done. हो
Yeah.
गया. हो गया. I'm cutting you off.
Yeah.
See, it's one thing to be at the top 1 year. It's the other thing to continue to stay at top for a long period of time. Did Liverpool do that? Ask yourself. I don't think so. 2018 Champions League, 2019 League.
Dude, but I feel, ask yourself for. This sounds like.
Ask yourself.
Sounds like some journalist asking Klopp to introspect. To ask yourself, Klopp, is this what there is to everything? Is there nothing to football? And he's like, oh shit. No, but I feel like every team has that, dude. Every team, like right now in this current time, it's not like previous time ki it's easy to stay on the top consistently. I feel like it's easy to actually get down faster and easy to go up. Go up is very.
No, obviously. I'm not saying no that it's not. I'm just saying compared to Madrid.
Right now, rate of falling down. अरे but league अलग है dude. तुम्हारी league में ऐसा कुछ 6 team है नहीं जो इतना अच्छा है.
I'm talking about Champions League.
Oh, अच्छा. I thought you were saying about it.
No. Champions League
Okay.
specifically.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah, Arhan +1. Yeah.
Yes. Thanks.
But I still feel like, but I'm, as much as I don't want to accept Liverpool, I still feel like for that sense, I'm still with Liverpool in sense of they are really trying to get shit back, and they will because they are one of those teams. They're not like Chelsea where they हार नहीं मान जाएंगे easily. They'll be like, we'll come back, we'll do something. They'll try. They'll lose is a different thing. But I feel like they have that fighting power of like wanting to actually do something and make a change, and they'll try till the last minute, dude, which is not bad. And they have really quick thinking players, also solo players, also like a good manager, dude. As much as I
I
want to
love that
just
man.
be
He
like
could be a
fuck this.
great. I would say legendary
Yeah.
manager. He's a
Yeah,
fearless
yeah. For
manager.
what, dude? For what he's done with Liverpool, he is
Yeah,
legendary, dude.
he is
Like, I mean,
legendary.
otherwise also, but I still feel like he's actually. It's mad to do what you do, especially with the kind of place you are in. It's not easy, dude. Fuck for Liverpool, it's not fucking easy. But I'm on Liverpool, dude. I'm on Liverpool side. Unfortunately, fortunately for this thing.
And
As much as I agree with you,
fair
Aran,
enough.
both have attacking managers, attacking team,
So I
attacking
feel like
mindset. Very difficult.
this time both the teams are kind of in the same the same sort of
Ah.
form also. Like no one's a clear favorite. Both of them are having like all right seasons compared to their standards. It's not as groundbreaking as they would be. So matlab it could go either way. I don't think there's any clear winner.
Players to watch out
Same.
for would be
So many, dude. This is like one. We can create another
All-star.
11 out of both the teams. हाँ, एक दो all-star बना सकते हैं दोनों टीम के साथ.
I still feel Madrid lacks a lot of star power though. Like अभी Ramos भी नहीं है. Hazard might play, might not play. उसका तो छोड़िए. Let's not talk about
But
it.
that's the thing with Madrid, dude. Madrid is like. I feel like Madrid is like City in that sense कि तुम्हारा ऐसा एक मेन टीम में से भी प्लेयर्स निकल गए तो लगता नहीं कि मेन टीम है क्योंकि इतने लोग भरने के लिए जगह है. There's enough space for enough people to come and play. So I feel like that way Madrid is not good. Even if you don't have star players, you still have players, like good players who can play with each other, which is more important than star players. Because तू क्या ही कर लेगा, dude? You know, like PSG, Mbappe, Neymar are there. They all can play by themselves, but and then that's what they do eventually. It comes down to like that. So I feel like here you don't need like star power is not everything, dude. So that way Madrid is equally.
No, but like Madrid is based on like 4 to 5 players. Like we call them the pillars of Madrid. So it starts from Benzema in the forward line. Then midfield mein you have Cruz, Casemiro, Modric. Defense mein you have Ramos, and goalkeeper you have Courtois. So like these are the pillars of Madrid. You know, without them we can't function. It's just there is no secret behind that. Ramos missed each of the knockouts that we didn't qualify through in the last 3 seasons, last 2-3 seasons. So and him again not being there is a huge like loss for us. So I feel that could be a turning point because we were banking on him to be there. Hazard might return, but I don't think he creates an impact instantly. He's been off again. 2 सीजन से खेला ही नहीं है फुटबॉल जैसे. Every time he puts on a Madrid jersey ऐसा लग रहा है डेब्यू कर रहा है अपना. So it doesn't seem like a continuous flow. I would rather start Vinicius over him because you can match the pace of the Liverpool players. So I feel that's the only area. बाकी key players from Madrid, I feel Courtois will have to be at his best. Casemiro is obviously defense तो strong करना पड़ेगा.
Defense and goalkeeper.
Yeah. And then Benzema.
Dude, I feel like defense. I feel like defense and goalkeeper. Defense and goalkeeper keep the match tight, and then one good goal by Benzema or whatever.
That's what we've been doing. We sit back now. We sit back and we wait for Benzema to get that one goal, and then we defend. So I feel like.
And fortunately, like very very luckily for you guys, it works out, dude. Benzema is a great player. He knows what to do, and he is a perfect pillar because he can get the job done alone. He doesn't need. Like once he gets the ball and once he's in a good area, he'll figure out. Also, sorry, I'm gonna do this, but Ramos and other, who's the happiest on pitch? The referee.
Salah. Oh, I thought Salah.
No. I was gonna say referee. No. That is champions, but like, but I think referee's going to be really happy because the referee is not going to be told what to do.
Imagine Ramos looks at Salah from the stands and he's like, "Hey, bro."
Ramos also.
But from Liverpool, I think the players to watch out for will be Salah, number one, because he has to prove what he could have done in that final game if not for his injury. I think Mane has a lot to prove. He is having a terrible season.
Dude, even for
terrible season. Thiago, Thiago तो क्यों है भाई?
Dude, I feel so bad. Imagine he came to a thing, right? There was a story where वो पता है वो Klopp ने वो एक flag है Liverpool का, and he's like you only touch this if you win. Now he won't get to touch it because then probably might not win this. But get to touch it because then probably great energy and he was great at Bayern. Suddenly, this energy is
I
just.
think udhar bhi, I think the thing is he averages like 5 thumbs up a game. You know, it's just that वो ball देगा वो किसी को मिलेगा और he'll be like मतलब
And dude is, but he's too energetic. Like he's Raphael level energetic.
he's
But
basically what Hazard is to us. Thiago is
yeah,
to Liverpool what Hazard is to us. दोनों आते हैं thumbs up देते हैं injury. मतलब खत्म बात खत्म.
dude, Hazard also, dude. I don't know. I feel like he was so good at where he was. I don't know why he did all this simply transfer and all. He was just doing fine. I mean, you're
He
ठीक
just
है.
took it too lightly. I feel मतलब वो Chelsea पे चल जाता था
Yeah.
उसका. ठीक है. See,
Yeah, but
you were
but he
in
was
that
doing
school.
well. He was actually a good player.
Imagine
Dude,
you were.
when he came, there was like people would lose their mind saying, dude, who the fuck is this player? Like he's gonna really do something. And then now everyone's scared of him. Nobody cares.
He was basically in that school जहाँ पे rules वगैरह कुछ थे नहीं, so he could do whatever the fuck he wanted, you know.
Yeah.
Not
Suddenly
like
went to a
suddenly he went
convent
to
school.
Gurukul. Now
Gurukul.
Gurukul में he's forgotten discipline. Now that people are trying to give him discipline, वो Indian हो रहा है. So I think that's not matching up well that way.
Well, then
That's-
we
that's-
move on to the final game.
Last.
City and Dortmund. Two very different
Very
teams
subtle, no?
in terms of
Yeah, very like
style and like it looks like a very nice build-up from the outset when like someone comes and tells you City and Dortmund. I feel like deep down you want to know what's going to happen. Like, क्या हो सकता है? Two very eccentric teams. Guardiola on one side, 4 years with City, hasn't won the Champions League. Dortmund I don't think they're like contenders for the title, but you know, like they're like dark horses. You never know when they can come in and like upset a big team. So, what about this game? What do you think? Where do you think this game could go? Who do you think has like the edge, if there is an edge?
I want to add one more question. Let's just remove Pep's like that whole overthinking. Without that, with Pep, what do you guys think?
Content छीन लिया तूने. Content.
Because
Yeah.
I knew that. See, this is one of the. But I'm saying, let's just say,
Let's just
say,
think, honestly,
Pep
just
is
think-
confident this year.
Just
He's
think.
like,
Okay. He's not overconfident. He's confident. That way, dude. City.
Yeah.
Don't see Dortmund
dude.
doing this that way, at least. And I think that
but you're
after
saying, but you both are saying कि Pep का overthinking को say so much can change. Like
Yes.
City might have like an on-off this one.
see, you could say कि अगर एक season में होता तो it would be unfair to say Pep's overthinking is overrated. But it happened.
But
for
it's
3
happening again and again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Also
again,
against teams that I think on a normal day City would win against.
Yeah.
If it's just like PL game.
Oh, if it's not a quarter final
Yeah.
of
If
a
it's
Champions
if
League.
it's a group
Ah.
stage का game है तो City is going to win it easily. But like in these stages against like I think last season was it like Lyon or
last season it
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
नहीं Leon नहीं था.
yeah. So against that Lyon team I
Leon
think
played someone
City
else.
should
Leipzig, if I'm not wrong.
Leipzig. Hey, Leipzig made it.
Ah.
Yeah, Leipzig was the team.
Leipzig and PSG played. I think it was Lyon and City.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
confusing, dude.
Either one of the two.
Some
Lyon or
shit
Leipzig.
team they played and they lost. Like,
Yeah.
it was
No way
bottom.
our team.
Yeah.
They should have like beaten them and like gone through. But we saw what.
But
what
again, I'm saying Pep. Now I'm giving one more scenario. Pep's overthinking, but City's current form.
I don't think it matters. Like if Pep overthinks that whole. his
Oh,
head
it's
doesn't
done. It's
matter
done.
good.
So, no, I was saying, overthinking plus current form plus wanting to win Premier League and Champions League.
See, wanting to win Premier League, I think he knows he's already won it. वो भले ही press conference
Yeah,
में
yeah,
बोलेगा for PR sake.
Yeah.
You know, there's still
Yeah,
time to
yeah.
go on like 10 matches. No, listen, buddy.
Yeah, bro, they're way
Yeah.
ahead, dude. They're
Exactly.
way ahead. They're like Liverpool plus. They're just there. No one can. Like there was a very thin place, okay, where they were like United can make it, and I was like, dude, they're not going to. One game is not going to change anything because one game for them also is one game for us. So that's just going to go like this. It's never going to go like and then like that chance is gone. That chance of going up is gone. So now they won it, dude. So so now I'm saying they won Premier League. They want to win Champions League because like that's the glory. So do you guys think that will motivate them with the overthinking?
I'll tell you bottom line what the thing is. If City plays the same team that has helped them get to where they are in the Premier League, with Gundogan,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Jesus,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Odin, De Bruyne, and he doesn't make changes to any of that. Like Stones and Ruben Dias start as the centre backs. Right back pay, let's say Kyle Walker, and left back pay you have Joao Cancelo, because he has this habit of changing the lineup over and over again. If he avoids doing that, if he completely does not do that, I feel City will go ahead and win this game.
I feel like Dortmund
Yeah.
also have a slight chance. I mean, if you look at like, I feel like if you have players like Holland or like these impact players, all they need is like one chance.
Yeah,
So against City defense, I feel like it's not the best defense in the world.
it is
Maybe not
kind
even
of
the best in England. So
i- this season
chances
at
they'll
least.
get a lot of chances. It's about like finishing. So finish कर दिए तो again it'll be interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's
I'm
basically
still stuck between the two, but
counter-attacking team versus a
uh,
possession team. It's just as
Hmm.
simple as that. Dortmund is one of the most lethal counter-attacking teams right now. So if they do find their rhythm, if City does, try to press them upfield and lose the ball somehow, I feel Dortmund will have a great chance.